our YouTube channel. Today this video will be amazing. Today I will show you how you can log photos on your iPhone with ID, Touch ID and passcode. There are many other ones to log some personal photos in iPhone, but they do not know what is a method to log gallery in iPhone. I will show you guys that this method is 100% working. So do not skip any part of this video. If you skip any part of this video, you will not be able to lock camera roll in your iPhone. So let's begin to start from the point. Now guys, first of all, the shortcut of home application in your iPhone. So as home shortcut, simply open this, and once you will get plus icon at the right top corner, and simply press here and you will see is the interface. You just have to add action and search add action or live photos, and just have add action, just search of lots. If the shortcut, simply press here and then tap on done, and you will get lock, and then back and screen shortcut in your home screen shortcut. And once you do this guys, now the second press go to automation. Simply go here and now make shortcut run automatically. Simply press new animations, and you just go to select answer. Simply go here and you choose your application, which one to log you want to log photos in iPhone. So simply just find your application, then select and tap done, and after you can this guys, you will get two option. First option is run after a confirmation, and second option run immediately. So simply select run immediately, and after you can select tap on next. Now you can see here is the interface. You will get log screen, and then click on photos app, and then tap done, and you simply press here. That will easily lock your photos and iPhone with ID passcode. Now let me show you how to work. We open the photos in iPhone. Now you can, and next done, and then back, and then you will be open our photo will be logged, and you can easily unlock through your passcode ID. Now let me show you can see, let me show you again here in my photo application, and photo application is logged. You can easily unlock through your face ID, passcode ID. I hope guys after this video you will also, if you want to log any application on your iPhone, this is the method guide. You will easily log. Hopefully you guys, this video is very helpful for you. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.